Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the COSYLAND 4-drawer, or it isn't, dresser storage tower. Ooh, a fabric organizer you need stable for bedroom, closet, entryway, hallway, and nursery room. Yeah, it is available in the color of beige and dark gray. I choose beige. You have a large capacity, a good amount of storage with 4 separate drawers shows that you are able to fit about 12 up to 15 rolled up t-shirts or about 6 pairs of jeans in one drawer. It is made of eco-friendly materials, harmless without any chemical smell and wipe down easily. Yeah, it's stable while lightweight. Fabric door and strong steel frame with crossbars in the back create a sturdy and lightweight dresser. Wooden handles attached on forward MDF boards are more durable and easy pull even under full load. It is perfect for organizations. Sleek, modern yet simple look that goes with many styles. Suitable for any place where you prefer to organize items. Add apps a decor thing. Would top match the furniture attractivity and can withstand up to 50 lb pound. It is really easy to assemble. The package comes with all the tools and accessories for quick installation. It takes about 20 minutes to assemble with a little bit of skill. The frame dimensions are 17.7 to 11.8 to 36. The drawer dimensions are 15.7 to 11.22 to L8. And this is what organized furniture can handle. So much space it is and so tiny shape. I'm using it in my bathroom because behind the front door of my bath room there is not so much space. So I investigate a little bit on Amazon and found this product. And so here you can see I am going to install it with you. And you will see that it has the right shape to get in a good condition in my bathroom. Yeah, oh yeah, it is really easy. And it is the upgraded version with crossbars for reinforcement. Yeah, and that will you can feel it if you assemble this thing. If you do not assemble the crossbars, it is really easy to topple and fall. But after you assembled the crossbars, it has a really good stand. Rare. It is great for storage. You can put in 12 times t-shirts, 6 times bath towels, 2 times large blankets, 2 times sneakers, 6 times jeans, 6 times diapers, 2 times baby bottles, 2 times baby toys, for example. Yeah, nursery rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, or bathrooms, like mine. You can use it where you like to use it. It's really awesome. It is nice to attach every part in a good drawer dresser storage tower, and you will handle this. Maybe I can help you a little bit with my video here to get a better assembling for you at home. So that it is. It's a really good device. I like it really much. It looks beautiful and it's not so expensive. This is really awesome. And I think it's a really good thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.